Let's draft a sleep pattern using PAD system. I'll explain all the steps to make sleep patterns, so follow one step at a time. You will get comfortable using the PAD pattern design tools. Hi, I'm Jin. Welcome to Pattern Studio 101. This channel is all about pattern making. If you love my videos, why don't you join my email list? Once a week, I send extra pattern making lessons right into your inbox. You can join my email list on my website, patternstudio101.com. Okay, this is a continuous lesson from episode 110. We drafted front and back bodies last time, so let's draft a sleep pattern today. I'll explain all the steps to make sleep patterns, so follow one step at a time. You will get comfortable using the tools. Let's begin. Here's the front and the back we drafted in episode 110. To make a sleeve pattern, we need body armhole length, right? Select the front armhole curve. Select the tool segment length. Click one of the end points. Then you know the front armhole length. Do the same to the back armhole. So you have both the front and back armhole measurement. Select the segment tool. Draw a line. Oh, by the way, when you draw a segment, if you hold down the Shift key, you can make the right angle. The length is your sleeve cap height. I'm not going to explain how to calculate because this is not a pattern making tutorial. I have a lot of videos to show you sleeve pattern making, so not this time. Draw bicep lines with segment tool. From the shoulder point, draw a segment. The length should be back armhole length. Select the tool, rotation. Click the shoulder point first, the point you don't want to move. Then click the other point, the point you want to move. Then you see you can rotate the segment. So rotate the segment until it hits the bicep line. You're gonna do just eyeball it first. And if you zoom in, you can see two segments crossed. Select the attachment segment tool and click where the two segments are crossed. See, you have point here. I'm going to remove this tail. Select the segment. Press the delete key on your keyboard twice. Let's move to the front and do the same. Segment tool, front armhole length, rotation tool, click the shoulder point, click the other point. Rotate the segment until it hits the bicep. And attach segment tool. And click where the two segments are crossed. Select this little guy, delete twice. Okay, if you zoom out, here we go. Let's make an armhole curve. Zoom in again. Select the segment, back armhole first. Select the tool, divide segment. Click the segment, 3. Select the curve tool. Click the shoulder point first. click somewhere out and click this lower point. Again, click this lower point first, click here inside, and click the underarm point. You can revise the curve with the pointer tool until you are happy with the curve. Do the same to the front. Select the front armhole segment. Select the tool Divide Segment. Click the segment. 3. Select the middle one. Select the tool Add Point to Segment. Click the lower point. I want to go up 3/4 of an inch. Okay, we need this point to draw an armhole curve. So you can delete other points if you want. Select the point and press the delete key. Select the curve tool. Click the shoulder point first. Click outside and click this point. Again, click this point first. Click inside and click the underarm point. Revise the curve. Okay, the armhole curve is done. Select the segment tool. From the underarm point, draw a horizontal line. The length would be your total sleeve length minus sleeve cap height and minus sleeve cuff height. And the same on this side. Connect 2 points. This hemline is the same as the bicep, right? Then you can calculate how much you want to take out on both sides to make your sleeve hem the measurement you want. So select 1 point, hold down the Control and Alt key both at the same time on your keyboard, and click the pointer tool. I want to move this point minus 2.5 of an inch on y-axis. Yep. And for this point, the same, with the Control and Alt key, click the pointer tool. This time, plus 2.5 of an inch on y-axis. Great. Select the sleeve hem. Select the tool Parallel. Click the left side of the sleeve. The sleeve cuff I want is 2.5 inches. Select the segment tool. Connect these points. Here we go, body and sleeve patterns. Hood pattern left. So for the next session, we're going to make a 2-piece hood pattern. Then I think we can start to set pieces. Plan view first and piece view. Then I'll show you grading and marker making. Are you a pattern maker? Join my Facebook group, Pattern Making Professionals. I post some pattern making tutorials there as well. The link is in the description box. This channel is totally dedicated for young professionals to take their pattern making skills to the next level. Have a great week. See you next time.